Creating a document in Animate 2024. To create a document in Adobe Animate 2024, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open Animate 2024. Step 2. Click on the File, New option from the menu bar or click on New File button. The New Document dialog box opens. Step 3. Under the Character Animation tab, select any of the presets HD, Standard, etc. for saving your animation depending upon your requirement. We have selected HD here. Step 4. On the right-hand side, set the dimensions for the stage by entering new pixel values for the width and height. We have used default values. It is best to keep the units as pixels. Step 5. Set the frame rate to 30. Select the ActionScript 3.0 option from the platform type. Step 6. Click on the Create button. A new document is created.